Hello everyone. So today we are going to make earth and this is made up with the ball. So let's start. So first we need a big ball, or if you want the small you can take the small ball also, Fevicol and the bowl, one empty bowl and the papers. So first what we are going to do is we have to pour the water, and in the water we are going to mix the Fevicol. So like this we have to mix the Fevicol, and the Fevicol should not be, our puree should not be so much thick, so it should be very thin like this. And then dip the torn papers. First we have to torn the papers and then dip the torn papers and stick it on the ball like this. So we have to cover all the balls with these papers. Yes, like this we have covered. So this ball will look white, right? Because we have stick the white papers. Now we have to let it dry completely from upside and then from downside also. Look, it is dry. It is not sticking with our hands. Now we have to color. Now we have to give a color. So earth has which color? Yes, it's a blue color. So we are giving the blue acrylic color, and again we have to let it dry. So now the ball is dry and we can draw the land portion with pen or pencil, whatever you want, and we have to give the shape of a land. So this all will be the and this is our India. So now we have to give the green acrylic color. So this will be the land portion, okay? So like this we have to do. So here, after drying, our earth is ready.